Hello, this is Damian from Spotahome, Valencia. Today I'm going to show you this 3-bedroom apartment in Nazaré, Valencia. So to start with, this zone is a little bit outside of Valencia, but it's perfectly well communicated with the rest of the city with public transport. There are plenty of buses coming here, as well as the Valencia spots. One of them is like 5 minutes walking from the house. There is also plenty of supermarkets nearby. So it's a very convenient place to live, and it's not the city center of Valencia, so if you're looking for a calm place, this is a good area. So let me show you the flat now. This is the entrance here. We've got the corridor, and here on the left we've got bedroom number 1 with single bed, chair, and this drawer with a lamp. Okay, and the view is, it's patio view, but it's the top floor, so there is plenty of light all the time. Okay, so now we move here. We've got the living room. In the living room we've got 2 armchairs, a sofa, table with 6 chairs, and also here it's patio view from this side as well. Okay, let me show you living room from here. And here we've got bedroom number 2 with single bed. This furniture, which I'm not sure how to call, and a wardrobe right here. Oops, I cannot open it now. It's from the other side. Yeah. And the drawers. Okay. Here, moving on. Bedroom number 3. This one has got double bed. Plenty of drawers and 3 different furnitures. Here, here, this, and right there. And also a very big wardrobe with 3 big sections. First one, second one, interior, and the third one. Yeah. And this is the view from the window. As you can see, the City of Arts and Sciences is right there. Okay, moving on. We have the bathroom right here, toilet, sink, washing machine, mirror, and a shower here. You can hang the phone there. Okay, and here we've got the kitchen. The kitchen, we've got the gas stove with the oven, sink, a dishwasher, fridge this side, microwave, and this storage here. Yes, the kitchen is fully equipped. Okay, also have this small balcony here with interior patio view. Okay, let's view on the kitchen. And that's it. Well, thank you very much. That was Damian from Spotahome, Valencia. See you next time.